It is a bitter cold day and snow and ice are falling, and I thought it would make a really nice scene to do some small bird photography. So thanks for coming along. Let's get started. Now, one thing you want to remember when photographing in the snow, you're going to want to overexpose just a tad, as your camera will see the 100% white as 18% gray. Now, every camera is going to be a little different because white balances vary between camera models. But I'll show you the settings when I'm done. And now we're going to shoot some small birds, hopefully get some nice video. And I did see the cardinal out here a while ago, and I'm hoping either the male or the female shows up. It would be a really nice image in the falling snow. The male cardinal just landed on the evergreen tree, and I was able to get 2 frames off before he was startled by the sound of the shutter. I'm not sure how they're going to turn out, but they look pretty decent on the LCD. I almost hesitated coming out because I thought it might be a waste of time, but looks like it may have paid off. So I'll be sure to show you that shot and all the settings. Right now I'm exposing plus 0.03 on my exposure compensation. I'm shooting manual mode with auto ISO. So when I up the exposure compensation, basically it's just going to shoot at a higher ISO because that's the only setting that I have that's variable. So I'm going to get back to work here and see what else we can get. I know it's been a while since I'd put a video out. I really appreciate you sticking with me. I appreciate your support. I'm looking forward to a great 2021. We'll have a lot of things lined up, and I'm really excited about this year. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.